Hey there, cat lovers. Have you ever noticed your cat making those cute little chirping sounds? Yeah, you know the ones I'm talking about. It's almost like they're trying to talk to you, right? Well, today we're diving into why cats make those adorable chirping noises. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Chirping isn't just a random noise, it's actually a form of communication. Most of the time, cats chirp when they're watching birds or other small animals. It's almost like they're saying, "Hey, I see you." This behavior is rooted in their hunting instincts. Even if your kitty is a full-time indoor cat, those instincts run deep. But did you know that cats also chirp as a way to express excitement and happiness? Yep, that's right. When your feline friend is chirping at you, it could be their way of saying they're happy to see you. Or it could be their way of encouraging you to join in on the hunt. Imagine your cat thinking, "Come on, human, let's go catch that imaginary bird together." Now, let's talk about the mechanics behind these sounds. Unlike their usual meows, which come from vocal cords, chirping involves a rapid movement of the jaw. It's a quick, repetitive sound that's completely unique. No other pet does this quite like cats do. It's part of what makes our feline friends so special. You might also notice that some cats chirp more than others. This can depend on their personality, environment, and even their breed. For example, some breeds like the Siamese are known to be more vocal and may chirp more often. On the other hand, a more laid-back breed might chirp less frequently. Every cat is unique, and their chirping habits can tell you a lot about their individual personality. So the next time you hear that delightful chirp, take a moment to appreciate what your cat is trying to say. Whether it's a call to play, a sign of excitement, or just a quirky way of acknowledging the world around them, chirping is a special part of who they are. It's another reminder of why we love our feline friends so much. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Does your cat chirp? What do you think they're trying to tell you? Drop a comment below and share your stories. And if you enjoyed this little dive into the world of cat chirping, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cat-tastic content. Thanks for watching, and give your kitty an extra chin scratch from me. See you next time. Music fades.